In this video, you'll learn how to cancel appointments in Microsoft Bookings, whether you made a test booking, scheduled something by mistake, or simply need to clear up your calendar. Knowing how to quickly cancel an appointment will save you time and help keep your schedule organized. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and by the end, you'll feel confident managing your bookings without any confusion. Let's start from inside Microsoft Bookings. Once you're signed in and you're on the main dashboard, the first place you want to go is the calendar. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen, and in the sidebar, you should see a tab labeled Calendar. Go ahead and click that. This calendar view is where all your scheduled appointments live, and it's the best place to see your day, week, or month at a glance. When the calendar opens, you'll see your bookings laid out by date and time. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct time range. For example, if you know the appointment is later in the week, switch to the weekly view or move forward to the appropriate day. This makes it much easier to locate the exact booking you want to cancel. Now find the appointment you wish to remove. It will usually appear as a colored block or entry on the calendar, showing details like the service name, the customer, and the time. Once you've located the correct appointment, click directly on it. This will open a pop-up or side panel with more detailed information about that specific booking. In this details view, you'll see all the key information, the service type, date and time, the assigned staff member, and customer contact information. This is a good moment to double check that you've opened the right appointment, especially if you have several that look similar or happen at close times. Confirm that the date, time, and customer match the one you intend to cancel so you don't accidentally remove the wrong booking. Now that you've verified the details, look for the cancel button. Depending on your version or layout of Microsoft Bookings, this button is often found at either the top or the bottom of the pop-up window or details panel. It might simply say cancel or cancel booking. Once you've found it, click on that button. After clicking cancel, you may see a confirmation prompt asking you to verify that you really want to cancel this appointment. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental cancellations. If you're sure, confirm the action. In many setups, Microsoft Bookings will automatically send a cancellation email to the customer and update the staff member's calendar, freeing up that time slot. It's a good practice to pay attention to any confirmation message on the screen to make sure the cancellation was successful. Once the cancellation is complete, the appointment should disappear from your calendar view or show as cancelled, depending on how your system is configured. If you still see it, try refreshing the page to make sure everything is up to date. That's all there is to it. You've opened the calendar, located the correct appointment, and used the cancel button to remove it. Now you know how to keep your Microsoft Bookings calendar clean, accurate, and up to date whenever plans change.